The DemandStar network connects government agencies directly with suppliers across the United States, eliminating the expense of trying to connect with qualified suppliers. There are 90,000 government agencies in the USA. They spend $2.8 billion a year just trying to connect with suppliers for their projects. The DemandStar network removes silos by eliminating the need for procurement professionals to use faxes, phones, newspapers, and websites to connect. DemandStar removes these friction points so suppliers can find the jobs they want. Now, all the bids, quotes, and RFPs are in one place, and suppliers can shop across multiple agencies for jobs they can support. Governments can now post bids and have immediate access to hundreds of thousands of suppliers, which creates competition for their bids and increases supplier responses, saving their government thousands of dollars. DemandStar eliminates the main objection most government agencies have with new platforms: cost. DemandStar is free for government agencies. They now have a way to post bids, receive responses, and upload award documents in less than 5 minutes. Agencies on the DemandStar network can use DemandStar's advanced tools to post and receive all their documents electronically. DemandStar has over 500 agencies connecting with thousands and thousands of nationwide suppliers. DemandStar builds communities by helping agencies find the suppliers and the items they normally purchase quickly and efficiently and at the best price possible, eliminating waste and inefficiency and creating transparency into the bidding process for their taxpayers.